Did you know there's a cat street in Tokyo? And while I'm trying to put on this ridiculous makeshift wig of a cat, I'm chilling with the horses in a graveyard. So let's go. You drive to Nippuri Station, take the west or north exit, and then just follow the road, and there you are. Welcome to Yanaka Ginza. In the street, everything is cat themed. There's cat food. There's actually food for humans that's shaped like a cat, and there's toads and chopsticks and so forth. You get the idea. You spot a cat. Usually there's like 10 sitting on all of the rooftops. They're not real, but there are real cats around. When cats are active, then you can actually see them. Otherwise, there's just people. I found another one. Okay, this kind of looks like cat ears. You know, by the way, fun fact, do you know what cat means in Japanese? It's called neko. Okay, great. I tried to give myself whiskers with lipstick, but I don't know, it looks like I've just been scratched in the face. Oh, out of all the cat-related foods I could have gotten in Cat Street, I got mashed potatoes in a cone with fish eggs. Bye, friends. Luckily, the horses don't judge, because we're on a graveyard, so they're probably already dead too.